there are 4 types of speaker authors, right? 4 types of speaker authors. There is the hustle, the driver, the scaler, and the strategic. You'll notice that this goes from early stage to late stage, right? But what you need to be understanding is the evolution that you should all be going through. As we walk through this, I want you to identify where you are and who you are. This is how you should end up going, right? You go from hustle to driver to scale to strategic as a speaker. So let's talk about what these stages look like. I think what you see here is a 3-year journey. So you start off as a hustle speaker. Just take any gig. If 2 women are in the bathroom and they're willing to leave the stall open, speak, right? Like just wherever you can go, whatever you can do, whatever opportunities you can get, right? Be a hustle speaker. This is where you're speaking. You just speak. And then you move into the driver stage. And the driver stage is where you're like, okay, I'm taking whatever speaking gig I can get, but how do I grow these opportunities, right? Now they're not just speaking, practice, going, doing, but they're opportunities. Does that make sense, everybody? You're changing them to opportunities. And in that experience, you're also really working on mastering your craft. Then you move into the scale category. And this is where you are expanding your speaking and your business. You're leveraging your speaking. You're not taking every speaking gig that comes along because now that's not intelligent for the time you have. And so you're kind of limiting what you do on some level because you want to take the right opportunities and you want to take those right opportunities and turn them into money. And so in some cases, this is actually that scale piece is where you will begin to sell books from speaking. Right? From really speaking, you'll really begin to scale that, right? And then the last piece is a strategic speaker. That is ultimately where all of you want to go. But when you get into the strategic speaker zone, this is where you expand everything. So if you're selling from the stage like me, this is where I moved from selling things that were, $500 or $997 from the stage to moving into selling things that were $3,000 or $5,000. This is also where you may move into doing like 3-day events, right? Your speaking isn't just going and doing an hour-long gig or, a 30-minute gig, but it may run into you doing a very specific 3-day event or hosting your own things. And so you're really choosing what you're doing, and it is extraordinarily strategic, but you're also expanding in all of the areas.